Happy Friday, everyone. I've had the longest day ever and it's only 10:56 a.m. So, I gave myself a little haircut last night. I didn't end up sleeping after that because when I finished, it was like 3-ish. And I had an appointment to do an alignment at Firestone at 7, and I kept rain checking and I kept rescheduling the appointment. So I was just like, you know what, I'll stay up, I'll go to the gym once it opens and then drop off the car. And then after that, I actually went to go get another monitor for my PC setup. And then after I got the monitor, the Firestone told me that they couldn't do the alignment because BMW has some special tool, and I'm probably gonna have to get it done at the dealer, which is fantastic. But there is a special package coming in today that I have been so excited for. It's probably gonna come in tonight, but I'm at work now, so yeah, my day just continues to get more fun. I will hit you guys back up when I get home from work, and hopefully the package should be there, and then I will show you guys what my plans with it are. So I'll see you guys when I'm off work. Peace out. Fast forward like 10 hours later. I want to die. I'm very tired. I think I've been up for like 48-ish hours now, but it's all right. My package is here, and I will now show you guys what it is. Give me 1 second while I unbox it. What is it, you may ask? Oh my. I was in kind of a bad mood because I just want to sleep, but you guys just have to see it. Oh my god. Hold on. And here is the reveal. Look at this M Performance shift knob. Oh, what is that? That is disrespectful. Oh my god, look at that Alcantara, carbon fiber, white stitching. So this actually kind of goes against my my whole plan for the car. The interior, there's a lot of other stuff that you guys don't know what I'm going to get until I show it to you, but the trim, what is it, the stitching I was planning on getting would be the M tri-stitch, so it'd be red, blue, and light blue, like the M colors. But I think having this and the center console, not the center console, the armrest like latch, if I make those two in white stitching and then everything else is M tri-stitch, I think it'll look clean because it's in the center of the car, so it'll look amazing. Basically what I did was I peeled the old leather off of the shift boot. Here is the part number. I doubt it's going to help because it's probably the part number for the boot itself, like with the leather, not just this plastic part, which is what I needed, and I couldn't find any online, and if I did find some, they were like 3D printed, and like I don't want that. I want OEM. But anyways, so basically this, if you guys don't know, this M Performance shift knob is for the F30 chassis and above. So like they make them for the F30, F32s, the F80, so on, so forth. And like the E90s, and behind, like the E90s, E46, E39s, they all have the MZHP shift knob, which I was actually planning on getting, but like it's very bulky, and like this is just like very streamlined, and like it's more modern, and it fits like my whole design for the car. Like once everything is placed, you guys will like, it's gonna look sick. But basically what we're doing today is we're just gonna take off these staples and then we're basically gonna do it on here. So see, like, your boy has a big brain. Nah, I'm kidding. I found this on the forums because I was looking for anyone who made like a retrofit kit of this, because I really want this in my car. But I saw it's funny, what is it, one of the people that commented on it was Mashimarho, and he ended up doing it himself. So yeah, even the best have to take advice sometimes. But basically it's very simple. I'm going to show you guys the whole process of doing it, and I just can't wait for it to be in my car. So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, so I'm so sorry I did not get this on camera, but I went inside to go get some water, and right after I took the right after I took the boot off of the little boot ring from the F30 one and tried to fit it onto the E90 one, it looked like it didn't fit. So obviously my head went into like the worst, because this is like $200, right? So like obviously that would have been just a waste of money, because first of all, I can't return it, and second of all, this whole like retrofit thing would go to poop. But I think I can manage it, because like I realized I was also reading the forums that I referenced when I first read about this. I'm not gonna lie, when I first found that forum, I just looked at the picture and read what he did. I didn't do like a full deep dive research on this, and I don't care. I think I'm gonna get this to work, because I'm good at this. Just kidding. But basically I got it to fit over like 3/4 of the plastic boot, because this is like a little bit stretchable. It's not like completely stretchable, but like the fabric is not that like tough to pull around. Like, as you can see, it's, and what also helped was like on this one there was these clips that like as you can see, these holes went around it to secure it in place, as well as the glue and staples. Staples were overkill for me to take out. Anyways, yeah, there was the clips don't exactly match on the E90 one, but there are some that fit the holes. So like as you can see, this one, I put it through that and it helped secure it in place. And let me see, this one as well, and I think that I can put it on that one too. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys back in time lapse and see if I can figure this out. So if I can, I'm just gonna crazy glue it, and if I can't, then I'm gonna ask my sister for help, because she's the one that's good at arts and crafts. Okay, oh my god, I think I actually did it. So basically, this is where it's tightest, right? But it does come over. However, I have to like, it needs to be be held down. It just like the other ones, they fit over because I molded it to this, and they have like clips holding it down. But this one, I think I need to put glue immediately for it to stay over, or else it's just gonna completely come back. Because like if I pull this over and hold it down, it fits, right? But like if not, it just like, if this was like a few inches wider, I would not be having this problem. But I got this. It's almost done, but I just can't wait for this to be in the car. Like whew, jeez. All right, let me get back to it. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the current shift knob that I have on the car right now. It's actually not OEM, but it looks OEM. So basically, the previous owner had installed a Dynon short shifter, and alongside that, he had a new shift boot and shift knob, and it's like it's like the M Sport M Performance one that I just bought. It's where they are attached, so it has a seamless look to it, and it's nice and all, but it's a little bit clunky. And the one that I was going for actually, the size of it mimics this one, and I'll insert a picture of it right now. But that's why I went with the newer style M Performance one, because it's more streamlined. It makes everything look newer. Overall, it's just like a sleeker look. Also, before I found out that this had a Dynon short shifter, I tried removing this on my own like a few hours after we bought the car, because on my E30 I had a Dragon Ball shift knob. I'll insert a picture of it right now. But I wanted to put that on it like immediately after we bought it, and this thing would not come on. And if you guys don't know, BMW shift knobs, they are not like Asian cars where you twist them. You have to grab them at a certain angle, and then you pull them straight up, and then the shift knob comes out. Well, I knew that, of course, but for some reason it wasn't coming out, and it wasn't until a few weeks ago where I pulled out the boot and like lifted it completely up, and I noticed that it was screwed in. So of course that's why it wouldn't come out, and I sprained my wrist when I first did that. So yeah, that was fun. It would have been nice if I checked that out, but that was over a year ago, so it doesn't matter now. But I am excited to show you guys how this new knob looks. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Jeez, look at that knob. Oh man, it looks insane. And there are a few imperfections with how I installed this. Like, I'm actually probably gonna pull this off and redo this part, but that just looks like a stitch, but it is actually the old staple mark from the other boot. And this one doesn't, you can't really notice unless you're staring at it. But it basically, since the other one was stapled, this one kind of split in half, but like it's very minimal, and I honestly don't even notice it unless like I am actually looking for it. But this thing is so sick. I cannot wait to start driving with this. But yeah guys, that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. If you need any tips or like more in-depth on how I actually like installed everything, just let me know in the comments below, or DM me on my Instagram. But anyways, thanks guys, take care and peace out.